Why are you awake at 4 a.m.?
Why are you awake at 4 a.m.?
It was her way of telling him that she was his.
How is it that 7 years girl, get your math right. 4 years later, we ended up back here.
Yep.
That's how long it took Euphoria to make a new season. So, hello everyone. I know that this is not your first time seeing me because I can already foresee the comments because I'm
That's alright then, it's the future I can see.
So basically I can already foresee the comments and be like, oh my god, I discovered you from this Euphoria video. Because I go back to 4 years ago and I look at the fucking description box and it said I have 1.8 million subscribers. Babes, you know what at now? 3.47 million. Oh my god. That means we have almost doubled our subscriber count. But catch the almost. If you're watching this right now and you aren't subscribed, you could help me get to 3.6. Bro, but on a real note though, that video like changed my life. I had just moved to New York City. I think I was like 18, 19 at the time because I'm 23 now. This video was being posted on the same day as the Euphoria season finale. And 4 years ago, I also posted on the Euphoria season finale. So we're like really full circle. And then I moved back into the same apartment because I ended up loving this apartment so much. I realized that this was my home. Like, wow.
Anyways, I know what you came here for.
Today, we're gonna be doing recreating the recreation of Cassie doing her 4 a.m. morning routine. Listen, I don't have a Nate Jacobs, unfortunately, but if you are Nate Jacobs watching this or you look like Nate Jacobs, just know I would do this routine for you. So Cassie shaves and exfoliates at the top of her 4 a.m. morning routine, which honestly, I get it because now that I'm waking up at 5 a.m., even before I was doing this, first thing I did, the only thing that keeps me sane is waking up and showering immediately because it keeps me from falling back asleep. I do this, Cassie, like I do this.
Ladies.
We gotta be shaving the toe hairs too. Yum.
Shave the knuckle hairs.
This is the best toothpaste ever.
The thing is, before I even step out the shower usually, I'm using this. When you met me 4 years ago, I never lotioned. Cassie, you need to be using this. You be hanging out with a guy and be like, oh my god, girl. He'll literally be touching my arm. I'm like, oh my god, your skin is so soft. I swear that's just the, oh, I just flashed. You see this? Yeah, it looks like lube. I have never gotten so many compliments in my entire life for my skin being smooth and soft by not men, random people. I promise you nothing is hitting like this, but I will make a note. Do not try to put this on dry skin. It will not fucking work. It will not work. Like, hello.
She needed to clear her head.
Very important, we lotion after. She's got a little diarrhea. A new revelation for me recently, thanks to a Pham account member, is cuticle oil. I yap about the fact that I get my nails done all the time now and I don't pick at them anymore. Lots of improvements since 4 years ago. Girl, if you wonder why I look so different, I have microbladed eyebrows since I was like 14. Because when I was 14, my mom's friend owned this like esthetician salon and she was like, yeah, let me practice microblading. And I said, period, do it on me, girl. I have microbladed eyebrows for 7 years of my life. Anyways, cuticle oil. Place this on my cuticles and I massage it around my fingers. I put this on my feet too because my feet low-key have dry spots. I don't care if you don't like feet. Here, oh my god, what is that? What is that?
Oh my
so I like to put her on my
What
toes.
is that?
Okay. I've been doing a face mask every day.
Nice and juicy.
Hit it with a lip mask. Best lip mask to ever exist on planet Earth. Heat protectant. I actually usually use this when I'm home, but she is a empty. So now we're gonna go in with my travel one. Ugh. So I haven't tried these heatless curling sets since I filmed that video. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. I don't know if I believe in this propaganda, okay? Because I just personally don't get it. My hair's still slightly damp a little bit, which I think will help with the curls. Back then I had my natural hair, girl. So these are extensions. Yeah, so through the period of 4 years ago versus now, I have dyed my hair pink and then fried all my hair off. So that's what's been happening throughout the 4 years. So apparently I'm just supposed to wrap my head around this, but use your favorite kitsch claw clip. You didn't give me one. You didn't give me one. You just expect everyone to just have a claw clip? That's crazy. Round one. Guys, Alchemy is currently making seashell claw clips and like orchid claw clips and shit for our next summer collection, which, oh my god, since I also filmed that last Euphoria video, my life has changed so much in the way that I didn't even fucking own a brand back then. Like back then I was dreaming about owning a brand and ah!
Maybe the claw clip is just not meant to happen.
Boom clap. Wow, we did it, guys. We didn't give up. I didn't say guys. I'm just talking to you. What are you talking about?
YouTube 101, don't say guys, talk directly to the camera so that the viewer feels like you're just talking to one person.
Oh my god. Tomato, 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 tomato.
If you're watching to this video, comment tomato. Tomato, 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 tomato.
And then, for the people that didn't make it this far, they're gonna think that y'all are hating on me and throwing tomatoes at me. We're gonna troll the viewers. I have actually an issue where I troll way too much. Dating me is not for the weak, that's all I gotta say. But that's why we have girlfriends. They get it, they understand when I'm joking, so why can't you? Boy brain, fucking Nate Jacobs brain. Like, I know Maddie would laugh at my jokes. Girl, if I was Cassie, I would have never pulled a Cassie. I would have stayed best friends with Maddie personally. Wait, like literally shortly after that Euphoria video, I met Jacob Elordi. Oh my god, I forgot about this. Wait. So this is what the back of my head looks like. Oh, girl, what is it? Next. Perfect. Next up, eye mask time. So in my last Euphoria video, I put eye mask on and it literally looks like I have penises on my face.
Does this not look like a... Anyways.
This time, I made sure not to get the ones that looked like that, even though the video freaking got demonetized anyways. 18 million views, $0 made, guys. Why? Because Euphoria, HBO, copyrighted my ass for using their soundbite. So, yeah, that's why we started a brand in the first place, okay? We got a brand!
So we don't have to worry about the demonetization or being family friendly anymore, babes. I'll flash you all I want. Yeah, I'll keep farting on camera. You want me to fart on camera? I'll fart on camera. Ready? 3, 2...
Got your ass. You know what's so funny is like y'all think y'all are slick. I can literally go on my freaking computer and I can see where you guys most replayed the fart. Just know, I can see what you're up to.
I can click on your comment, babe. I can click on your comment and I can see if you subscribe. So why are you commenting but you're not subscribed? What? Subscribe. I like your comment. I promise.
Oh my god, bro. Who is that? She's so fucking weird. Anyways, ciao. Now we have these crazy tools that she be using all over her face. I still don't know how to use this thing. You need me to put a battery in here? You think I have batteries, bro? Oh my god. Oh my god. We're just gonna act like she's vibrating, okay? I can sound effect it real good. I'm committed to the bit. Also, since that last video, my skin has cleared up so much, I'm also not fucking inflamed anymore. Bro, I changed my lifestyle. The girl's definitely grown the fuck up. She did hit this more gracefully. She was like... Then she hit it with this, where she was... What are you doing, girl? Just kidding, that's me. When I do my skincare, I'm never like, hey guys, to the skincare brands that work with me, just to know that I love you because I'm out here like with my skin. Next up is the ice roller. Personally, me, I would never do this. The Chinese max on TikTok, they wouldn't approve. My grandma wouldn't approve. Growing up, she was always like, don't eat too many hot foods. It'll make you have acne. It'll make you hot inside. But then also like, don't do anything too cold because I think it's just an all-around Asian thing. Reduces pore size, dodge wrinkles. What does dodge wrinkles mean? And calms redness. You know, maybe I could start using this in the morning to wake myself the fuck up because I'm out here snooze. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze in this? Oh! SZA, comment on this video. I see you commenting everywhere. Comment on this video. I feel like if my grandma's watching this, she's gonna call me later and then be like, don't do that. Oh, this does feel nice though. Oh.
Does anyone else hold their boob for comfort? Not to plug my own brand. You know what I love about my Alchemy hoodies? Okay, imagine this. I'm on the plane, right? Like I'm cold, I'm freezing. What do? I go like this. And I just hold my boobs. I go in here and I hold my boobs, and I love that nobody can see that I'm holding my boobs. Oof. Ooh, this is like a massage. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, do I look snatched? How do I look more snatched in the comments? I'll read my comments every day to remind myself that I'm so snatched. Thanks. Now it's time for the gua sha. I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, I want to try this. It's a gua sha and like a retinol and everything all in one. I gua sha like before I do my makeup, but not with a gua sha. I just gua sha with my fingers all the time now. It's so easy and it works. It's also helped with my face inflammation. I started doing it like 3 years ago. I don't do it consistently now. So we start down here. Why do we start down here? Yeah, I'm a gua sha TikToker now. We start down here because this basically opens up flow so that when you're pushing everything else down, it opens up your chest and everything can flow out. And I do it over my collarbone first. This is so fabulous. Realistically though, let me speed it up so I can show you what I usually do with my fingers so that you can feel encouraged not to go buy more things because your fingers are really the best. Oh, I just scratched my face, bro. The iconic cold face mask is back. Okay, I remember the last time I did this, I was freaking out. It was so fucking cold. Oh my god, I'm dying right now. So we're gonna see if she is still that cold. This isn't that cold. Hopefully this like freezes all my fat cells. Girl, that's a lie. I don't think this is doing anything. Cassie knew all the gadgets. Cassie would be a TikToker. She'd be like, this is my new beauty stuff. Link down below.
It's self tan time.
This color combo is really hitting. She's in my books. So in the last video, I used this spray tan where you like just spray it on. Ew. Actually gonna go to the pool tomorrow. So I actually wanna get a good tan in. So we're gonna actually use some self tan because tomorrow I will be in a bikini for the first time this year. What if I meet my Jacob Lordy at this motherfucking pool? Now we extra moisturized. Oh no! Why did I do it on my bath mat? No. Come on. I thrifted this. She's handmade. Oh my god. I know you're meaning.
Rub, that mean dab, don't rub, do rub, dab.
We saved it. Oh my gosh, that was a major save.
Maddie didn't know she wanted more. To get in between Nate and Cassie or make a little money.
Okay, Cassie did not do this, but I'm gonna do this. Basically, going to laminate the brows. I used to laminate my brows in every video. So we're gonna clean the brows. Solution number 1. This smells like chemicals. Then we're gonna take this brush here and brush them. If you are watching this on your TV right now and you have not clicked the subscribe button, please and subscribe. Let's try to double the subscriber count from 4 years ago and hit exactly 3.6. Each subscriber matters that much. I don't know how this is gonna look. Wish me luck is all I gotta say. It's been a while. She's been out of practice. Thank goodness we're just doing this and we're not tinting our brows because that's scary. We've realized the natural brow is the way to go. I'm watching this video back and I'm like, wow, my personality's back. This is me. And I realized, oh my god, having a boyfriend makes me so fucking boring. It's true. If you have a boyfriend, I'm not coming for your neck, but just clock yourself if you've become a little boring. Like, it's me and my girlfriends that I've been through. Me and my girlfriends what I've been through. Righty, babes. Seems like the 12 minutes are up. Wipe this off, yeah? Look fabulous, though. And I just did that at home. This kit was probably how much money? Like $8. They would have charged me $100 out there in the field. This is a lotion, a setting lotion. It's time to beat our face. Get in there.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my bread, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking.
Yes, I have been away a little bit, but like we're coming back a new woman. Like, are you seeing the makeup application, the skin, the nails? Like, she's gotta like develop. When someone's been on YouTube for 16 years, sometimes they need some time figuring themselves out. That got really deep.
So beautiful, like out of my dreams. Hey boom, hollering at you. Not rude, I'm just trying to be your dude. So what I gotta do is just see how that ass move. So beautiful, sorry to be cruel. Yo B, I'm making the next move. And no me, I'm nothing but just smooth.
Statue lip liners, I love my girl Statue. I take nude. Coral. Outfit reveal in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, she has boobs. When I thought of Cassie, I'm so sorry, I thought of boobs. So I'm like, we're gonna go with this top because I feel like Cassie would for sure wear this top. I bought something from CVS so that we could voluminize my hair. I'm gonna peel this off. Wow, perfect ombre. Yeah, we need to go downstairs though, so I could go get the volume spray. Volume. Okay, we have a drop off of the goodies, okay. Volume spray and some Lumify. Eye drops. Did my contact just fall out? Do I just like loosely shake this out? Oh no, what if this is like so freaking curled? Oh, it's still wet there and your blood's right here. Okay, okay, interesting. Okay, love how these look. Low key, this is really nice.
Ooh, this is nice.
Hairspray. I feel like before I blow out my hair, we gotta reveal the outfit again. Actually, I don't feel like me at all. I like never see myself like this ever. I don't know who this is. This is so crazy. I don't feel like myself like at all. You've never seen me like this, have you? Last finishing touches. I look like I have so much hair. This like hair combo is actually insane. I'll do some Tom Ford Soleil LeBlanc. This smells amazing and it gives you a really nice shimmer. I was wearing this all in Brazil. It smells incredible too. Just like tiny little gold flecks. You see, it's just like, oh, such a nice shimmer. My Moroccan oil perfume. Well, I feel like I'm celebrating something right now, or like we're like here together for like a reunion, you know? It's like this probably will never happen again. My most viral video ever. And being able to recreate the season finale back in the same apartment. If I would have never posted this video, you may have never known who I was. Isn't that crazy to think about? Like genuinely, I bet you 40% of the people here discovered me from this video, which is a large amount. So hope you enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making this video. I feel so proud of this video already and it's like not even edited yet. I haven't said I love you in so long, but I love you. I feel so weird saying I love you. My Asian parents really, they said fruit. Bye.